Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to the Miss Gipsy. You know what? It's a beautiful sketch that I drew, and I was whispering because I don't want that he heard of it. It's a birthday gift, and he hasn't know about it. So, you know what? I'm really consistent right now. I'm posting videos every week, so subscribe it for art-related videos. You know what? You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm very consistent. Still, I have only one screen, so recording the whole process is not really one that. But you can enjoy the video with me music. So I catch you guys later in the end of the video. Okay? Have a good time. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video and you can subscribe it. Posting videos every week and drop a comment below, say I love to read that. Have a great day. Bye bye.